stop scrolling because your bathroom might be the perfect place to grow a mini jungle. And you don't even realize it. Most people think bathrooms are the worst spot for plants. Low light, high humidity, limited space, it sounds like a disaster, right? But here's the twist. Those exact conditions are actually perfect for certain fast-growing plants that thrive on steam and neglect. In fact, some of these plants grow faster in your bathroom than anywhere else in your home. We're talking about lush green leaves, trailing vines, and even elegant flowers, all without needing direct sunlight or constant care. And the best part? These plants don't just look good. They can make your bathroom feel fresher, cleaner, and more relaxing, like your own private spa. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people are choosing the wrong plants and wondering why they keep dying. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 fast-growing bathroom plants that actually love low light and humidity, plus why they work and how to make them grow even faster. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your bathroom the same way again. 1. Spider plant. What if one plant could multiply itself over and over again? Right in your bathroom? The spider plant is one of the fastest growing and most rewarding houseplants you can own, especially in a humid bathroom environment. Thanks to the constant steam from your showers, this plant feels right at home, mimicking the tropical conditions it naturally loves. And when it's happy, it grows like crazy. You'll start to notice long, arching green leaves spilling out beautifully in all directions. But the real magic happens when it produces baby plants, called pups. These tiny offshoots dangle from the mother plant like little green stars. And here's the best part. You can snip them off and grow entirely new plants for free. Spider plants are also incredibly adaptable. Even if your bathroom doesn't get much sunlight, they'll continue to thrive under low to medium light conditions. Place them on a shelf, hang them near a window, or even let them cascade from a cabinet. They'll instantly elevate the space. Another bonus? They help improve air quality, making your bathroom feel fresher and cleaner without any extra effort. If you want a fast-growing plant that literally creates more plants, the spider plant is your ultimate bathroom companion. Pothos. This plant grows so fast, it might take over your bathroom before you notice. Pothos is the definition of effortless growth. Known for its trailing vines and glossy, heart-shaped leaves, this plant thrives in conditions that would slow down most others. And when you place it in a steamy bathroom, that's when it truly takes off. Humidity acts like a natural growth booster for Pothos. The moisture in the air keeps its leaves hydrated and encourages faster-growing vines. Within weeks, you'll see noticeable growth, and within months, you could have vines stretching several feet long. Low light? No problem at all. Pothos is incredibly forgiving and adapts easily to dim environments, making it perfect for bathrooms with minimal natural light. You can hang it above your shower, drape it over a shelf, or even grow it in water for a clean, modern look. It's also one of the easiest plants to care for. Forget to water it occasionally? It'll bounce right back. That makes it ideal for busy lifestyles or beginners, and visually it's stunning. Those cascading vines instantly create a relaxing, jungle-like vibe that turns your bathroom into a spa. If you want fast growth with zero stress, Pothos is hands down one of the best plants you can choose. Peace lily. Imagine having elegant white flowers blooming in your low-light bathroom. The peace lily is one of the few indoor plants that can produce beautiful blooms even without direct sunlight. That alone makes it a standout choice, but when you add bathroom humidity into the mix, it becomes even more impressive. This plant loves moisture in the air. The steam from your daily showers keeps its leaves lush, glossy, and vibrant. It also helps encourage more frequent blooming, giving you those iconic white flowers that look both minimal and luxurious. Peace lilies grow relatively quickly when kept in consistently moist soil. One of the most satisfying things about them is how expressive they are. If they need water, they'll droop slightly, but within hours of watering, they perk right back up. It's like watching your plant come back to life in real time. They're also known for helping improve indoor air quality, which is especially useful in smaller enclosed spaces like bathrooms. Place your peace lily on a countertop, near a sink, or beside a frosted window, and it will quietly transform the entire atmosphere of the room. For a plant that brings both fast growth and elegant blooms, the peace lily is pure bathroom luxury. Boston fern. This plant doesn't just like humidity. It depends on it. Boston ferns are basically made for bathrooms. In dry environments, they can struggle, but in a steamy, humid space, they absolutely thrive. That's when you'll see their soft, feathery fronds grow fuller, longer, and more vibrant. The constant moisture in the air keeps their delicate leaves from drying out, allowing them to expand quickly and create a lush, layered look. Over time, a single Boston fern can transform into a full, overflowing plant that feels like a piece of rainforest inside your home. Even in low light conditions, they continue to grow steadily. While they prefer indirect light, they're very forgiving and can adapt to dimmer spaces, especially when humidity is high. They look best when elevated. Hang them near your shower, place them on a high shelf, or let their fronds spill downward for that dramatic, Pinterest-style aesthetic. One thing to remember, they like consistent moisture, so don't let the soil dry out completely. But thanks to bathroom humidity, they're much easier to maintain here than anywhere else in your home. If you want your bathroom to feel like a tropical spa, the Boston fern is your secret weapon. ZZ plant, think your bathroom is too dark for plants? This one will prove you wrong. The ZZ plant is famous for surviving in conditions where most plants would struggle and still looking amazing while doing it. It thrives in low light, making it perfect for bathrooms with little to no natural sunlight. What surprises most people is how resilient and steady its growth can be. While it may not grow as wildly fast as Pothos, when it does grow, it sends up thick, glossy new shoots that instantly make an impact. Its waxy, dark green leaves reflect light beautifully, giving your bathroom a clean, modern, almost luxury feel. It's the kind of plant that looks expensive, but requires almost no effort. Humidity from showers can actually give it a gentle boost, even though it doesn't rely on it. And when it comes to watering, less is more. The ZZ plant stores water in its roots, so you only need to water it occasionally. This makes it one of the best low-maintenance plants you can own, perfect for anyone who wants greenery without the stress. If you want a stylish, nearly indestructible plant, the ZZ plant is the ultimate low-light champion. Now you've seen the best fast-growing plants that can completely transform your bathroom into a lush, relaxing space, even with low light and constant humidity. The truth is, you don't need a bright living room or perfect conditions to grow beautiful plants. Sometimes, the most overlooked space in your home can become the most powerful. Whether you go for the fast-spreading vines, bold, glossy leaves, or elegant blooming plants, each one of these choices can instantly upgrade your space with minimal effort. But here's the key. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Pick one plant from this list and try it in your bathroom this week. That's how you start seeing real results, and once you see how fast they grow, you'll want more. So tell me in the comments, which plant are you starting with first? If you enjoyed this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple, powerful indoor plant tips that actually work. Because turning your home into a green oasis starts with just one plant.